When you start watching a lot of YouTube videos, looking into forums, joining Facebook groups, you get a lot of great information about all the different things you can do in your lawn, but you don't necessarily know when you should actually do those things. So today's video is going to provide you with those answers. What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. It's been nothing but clouds and wind today, but here's what the yard is looking like on March 24th. I actually did my mowing yesterday and I trimmed back that tree quite a bit, so I'm not going to get hit in the head whenever I'm mowing around the tree. Put some twine on it, got it ready for pickup tomorrow. But overall, the lawn is looking pretty good for this time of year. We are at, I would say, probably 97 or 98% green up. We do have some areas that are lagging a little bit behind because I scalped a little further down in those spots a couple weeks ago whenever we did our scalping. But right here is a good example. You can see the yellow tips on the ends of these runners that are making their way across the lawn. Here's a closer look at what I am referring to. But in a couple of weeks, that area should be completely greened up as well. I also have a couple of spots in the backyard that are really tucked into the fence or to the side of the house that are a little bit slower in the green up process, but we're probably a couple of weeks out from having a really sharp looking lawn. Backyard is looking really green as well. I stuck with the same stripe pattern back here this time, so I mowed perpendicular to the side of the house back here, and I actually saw a worm casting pop up overnight. And if you start seeing some worm castings in your lawn, that is a good sign. You do want some earthworms working in your lawn. They do some natural core aeration for you, so it's always a pleasant surprise to walk out and see a few of those in the lawn. Another thing I've noticed, and y'all can let me know in the comment section below if y'all have seen the same thing, but a few June bugs have already visited the lawn, so that's something we need to keep our eye out for as well. So timing actually plays a big role in having a nice lawn. You can do a renovation, you can do every cultural practice under the sun, you can use all the products, but if you're not timing them up correctly, you're not going to see the results that you want to see. So in the description box below the video, I've actually left a link to my Bermudagrass calendar. It's on my website. You don't have to put in an email, you don't have to pay for it. You literally can just click on it, it will download it, or you can go on your phone and you can take a screenshot. When you actually get to my calendar, at the bottom, you'll actually see a mowing height recommendation for Bermudagrass. You'll also see a little disclaimer. Let me go ahead and read that word for word so I don't mess it up. It says, this calendar is based on the weather and climate of South Central Texas. Please use the average high temperatures provided at the top of the chart to compare and calibrate to your location. So in other words, if you live roughly in my area, you can just use my calendar, not even have to worry about it. If you live somewhere a little further north or possibly a little further south, like maybe in the valley, then you will have to calibrate the calendar just based on the climate in your area. There's actually a couple of lawn calculators on my website as well, and I think you'll find those really helpful when it comes to picking which fertilizer is going to give you the best bang for your buck and determining how much product you need to use in your applications. The calendar itself is going to cover things like when to apply your pre-emergent, when to scalp, when to dethatch or verticut, when to aerate, when to do a leveling project, when to apply insecticides, when to apply fertilizers, and just anything and everything that you can think of that you would do to your lawn is more than likely going to be on that calendar. It's also got a key that allows you to choose the level of time and effort that you actually want to put into your lawn. If you follow any of those stages, you're going to have nice results, but there is a beginner, an intermediate, and an advanced level, and they're all color coded. It's very easy to follow, so go check it out. Once again, I just want to stress that I am not collecting emails. I'm not charging anything for this. This is a free download. I'll also probably flash it up on the screen at some point during the video if I haven't already. You're more than welcome to take a screenshot there. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. If you're liking the content and you want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider out.